is a little bit. Ow! Ow!
Sit down, son.
I know you're excited.
Put your back against the TV over there. There you go.
Oh, jeez. Oh. 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 Oh, for weed? For weed. It's for weed.
For we?
Yeah, it's for weed. It's for the weed.
Oh, you can take it to Nana's house and play.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay. Can I still open them?
Yeah.
Don't worry about mommy and daddy.
Whoa. Whoa.
Never. This one doesn't have tag on.
That's from Santa, I think.
Oh man, it's close. It's like, oh, it shows. It shows.
Oh, what does that sign say?
Route 999. Oh, Route 60. Oh man.
Whoa, sweet. Hold them up.
Take them out.
Take them out of the box.
Oh man.
Whoa, those are cool shoes, bud. Yeah. All right. Doing, doing, doing.
That's cool. Who has the trash bag?
Just put the box, lay the thing down again.
There you go, right like that.
I don't know how to do
No,
it.
yeah, that's
There
how
you go.
do it.
Now put the box. Yep.
There you go.
Oh man, thank you, Santa.
Okay, give me the paper.
Thank you. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Lord. Woohoo! Okay. Okay. This one's from Pastor.
Pastor?
This is
Oh no, that's from Mrs. Phillips.
what?
Mrs. Phillips and Mr. Ray.
Mrs. Phillips and Mr. Ray. This one's for Mr. Ray and Mrs. Phillips.
Nice.
Let's see what they got. I better get rid of it because I'm not there. They're pretty good rappers. They're pretty good rappers. Whoa. Oh my. Oh my. Oh! Just like the one, but it's for DS.
Oh!
Oh man! Woo! Thank you, Mrs. Mills. Take it up! Wow!
Funny.
Sweet. That is the jackpot.
Just put it, make a pile in the middle of the floor. Put your shoes on the table or on the side by you so it doesn't get thrown away. Okay, that's good. Keep going. Forward. From mom and dad.
Oh, for mom and dad?
For mom and dad.
No, it says
From.
from.
Oh.
Mom and
Oh,
dad.
okay.
Dang.
Two spots from mom and dad. Oh my. Another DS game? Are you serious? Okay, that's more than five. That's more than 5 games. I can only fit 4 in my case. Hey! Oh my gosh. Oh, it has pools? Game rock? Game room?
Game room. Let me see.
Bring
Bring it over here. Let me see.
It says from mom and dad. Thank you guys.
Oh, come here, come here, come here, come here.
That was a lot darker than that one.
Yeah, mommy puts cream in the coffee. Ooh, it has pool and golf. Bowling.
Oh my.
Now you can beat daddy on pool.
I can't beat down. Because on that, he's a pro.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Only one. Who is it from?
Who's that from?
From Mom and Dad.
Um,
That's you and Dad.
Really? Let me
Yeah,
see.
it says from Mom
Hey.
and Dad.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Oh no.
Oh! Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Come here, come here.
Oh! Yay! New Super Mario Brothers! Hey!
Come here. Are you happy? Daddy too?
Oh,
Ow, ow, ow.
oh,
ow,
sorry,
ow,
sorry,
ow,
sorry,
ow,
sorry,
ow.
sorry, sorry.
So cool! Okay, now let's see.
Who's that one from?
From Santa to Scott.
Oh.
Santa to Scott.
Oh, okay, that's yours. That's yours. Watch out, my coffee.
Did I say Santa?
Yep. Santa to Scott.
Let's see. Where is that thing? Oh no. Oh no.
Watch out, watch out, my coffee.
What is it?
It's a Star Wars action figure. It's a Star Wars action figure. Oh, it's a Star Wars action figure.
Who is it?
Anakin.
Anakin Skywalker. Cool.
Hey.
Thank you, Santa!
Oh, see, how he knows those things, huh?
Yeah, tell me about it. So this is my first toy so far. Oh, second toy so far. Okay. I'm gonna eat this.
Oh, that's from Uncle Jeff.